If you're looking to cool a room quickly and easily, check out the Black+Decker portable air conditioner with remote control. It's available in sizes from 8,000 BTU to 14,000 BTU, with the option for heating capability in the 12,000 BTU and 14,000 BTU models. It's ideal for smaller spaces like dorms, bedrooms, apartments, and offices, and cools as low as 65 degrees. Weighing in at just 53 pounds, this portable air conditioner also has carrying handles built onto the unit and is set on 4 caster wheels for easy transport. Installation is easy as it has adapters that work with most windows, whether they are oriented vertically or horizontally. To get started, simply attach the hose and window adapter to the air conditioner unit and plug in the power cord and turn it on. You can operate it either by using the LED control panel on the unit or by the easy-to-use remote control. It has 3 energy-efficient modes: cool, fan, and dehumidify. Cool and fan modes can be further customized with 3 fan levels and an auto fan setting to automatically adjust the fan speed in cool mode for consistent cooling. It also features a 24-hour timer for maximum efficiency and less energy waste. It's also self-evaporating, meaning that there are no messy pans or buckets to empty, so no risk of spills, though it does have a drain plug in case you want to use it as a dehumidifier. The easy-to-clean filter can be quickly removed and cleaned with plain water for optimum performance and air quality. The Black+Decker portable air conditioner comes with a limited warranty. Additional protection plans are available for an additional cost, offering 3 or 4 years of added coverage to keep your air conditioner in top shape and cooling effectively for years.